Hey everyone, happy December. Today is December 1st here, and we were kind of surprised with a complete layer of snow. So we'll make the practice quite quick today, but I thought it would be really fun to come out and try a little bit of yoga in the snow. And today's practice will be ice themed. So, all right, let's get started. So we're going to begin at the top of our mat in mountain pose. Take a few breaths. Bring the palms together if you want. Enjoy the moment that you're in. And I invite you to kind of immerse yourself. See if you can almost join me in this, in my snowy garden. Excellent, let's get warmed up. So to begin, inhale, open the arms out to the side. Hello, Tixie. Oh dear, like you're collecting snowflakes. Reach the arms up overhead and exhale, sprinkle them down. Inhale, reach the arms back out like you're collecting snowflakes. Reach up and exhale, sprinkle them down. So getting that full body stretch at the front, tuck the ribs in. Keep it going, open the arms out in front of you. Reach up overhead, sprinkle it down. Again. This time when we go down, we're going to dive all the way down, forward fold, holding this pose for quite a while here. Really press the hips up, get a bend in the legs. If you feel like moving slightly, that's okay as well. I'm going to put my hands underneath my toes. It's always an option here in forward fold. Get some warmth back into them. Inhale, rise back up. Connect the palms up overhead. Raise that right leg up. And exhale, we're going to step it back. Lower the right knee down to the ground, come into your low lunge. Inhale, open the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, close the palms, lift up on the right leg, come forward into a forward-leaning runner's lunge. Awesome. The next step, we're gonna step forwards, work on that balance first thing in the morning, bring the knee up if you want to, and then place it back down. Here we go, other side. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the palms down through the middle. Step it back, come into that low lunge, drop the knee. Open the arms, cactus arms. Ooh, this is so cool, oh my God. Bring the palms together, lean forwards, runner's lunge. Next, inhale, step it forward, work on that balance, engage your muscles. Bring it up and forward, drop it back down. Take another breath. Tigsy's not used to snow, it's his first kind of snowstorm here. Excellent. Inhale, raise that right leg up. Exhale, step it back. This time staying into that high lunge. If you need to bring the knee down or use the hands out to the side, that's completely fine. Take a breath. Exhale, open the arms, cactus. Whoop. Inhale, lean forwards, connect the palms. Building the heat in the legs. Inhale, step it up. Come back to that mountain, drop the foot. Other side, inhale, raise left leg up. Exhale, step it back. Open the arms. Take a breath. Inhale, close the palms. Lean it forward. Inhale, step it back up. Mountain pose. Exhale, place the foot back down on the mat. Inhale, reach up again. Exhale, fold forwards. Take a breath. Next, inhale, rise all the way back up. Connect the palms. Exhale, hands down through the middle. Here we go. Inhale, raise that right leg up. Step it back. We're going to pivot into our warrior two stance here, but then moving the left foot in towards log edge of the mat. Now from here, point the hands down, press the hips back. We're going to be kind of like an icicle in the corner of a house here. So point those hands down. You can interlace the fingers if you wish. Try and keep a flat back and draw the shoulder blades away. Draw them down your back. Excellent, rise back up. Point the hands up overhead. Twist towards the front again. Step it back up. Plant that foot back down. Other side, here we go. Right leg up, step it back. If you need some help, I might start slipping because there's so much snow on my mat. Pivot that right foot towards the long edge of the mat. Fold forwards. Try and create that length in the legs and in the back. Point the hands. Take a breath or two. Inhale, reach up. Palms towards the sky. Exhale, pivot towards the front of the mat again. Step it up. Snow is falling. Ooh. Step back down. Oh, it's getting cold on the toes. You got this. Here we go. Inhale, raise that right leg up. We're going to come into kind of like an ice skater pose here. Coming into our warrior three. Extend that right leg back. Hold. If you need a little bit of adjustment, you can bring the leg lower or plant the hands down on the mat and lift the leg. Keep a bend in that knee if it suits you. Hold the arms out to the side. And then you can bring them on the leg. Maybe raise that back leg a little bit further. Coming into like a dive here. Excellent. So you can drag that foot along the mat. So option one here, you can come into your chair pose. Or option two, directly from that warrior three. Whoops. We're gonna wrap the right leg around the left. Come into kind of like a candy cane shape here. So into the eagle legs. Again, you can just do this from chair pose. Then right leg underneath the left arm, eagle arms. Hold the pose. Excellent, release. Release the arms, taking it to the other side. Raise that left leg up, warrior three. Take a breath. Engage that glute. Arms out to the side. And if it suits you, you can place the arms on the leg and raise that left leg a little higher. Again, you can do this from standing splits with the hands on the mat. You can bring that left leg forwards or come straight into your chair pose. Again, really take your modification. I don't want you falling here on the knees. So wrap those legs, left arm under the right, eagle arms. Excellent, one more breath. And release. Bring it back to that mountain pose. So I'll finish here today because it's getting real cold on the toes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands down through the chest. So feel free to take a Shavasana or relax a little bit on your back. Oh, I will finish here today. Thank you for joining me. That was a really cool sequence. We didn't really move much towards the rest of the mat, but that's okay. If you liked the video, leave a like or subscribe if you'd like to see more. See you next time and happy December.